also function, and it was a fun knowing about it. And today I tell you about the recursions. Recursions are basically function, but when inside a function and you call the exact same function is called recursion. And okay, this topic blows everyone's mind, but how easy this topic is, you are appreciate it after this video. So let's hop in onto the computer screen and see how recursion are written in Python. Let's get started. So now we'll be learning about recursion in Python. So now run. So recursion is the process of defining something in terms of itself. Python recursive function. And in Python, we know that a function can call other function. It is even possible for the function to call itself. These type of constructs are termed as a recursive function. And here I will give you one example. Like I will be copy it and I will be erase it and we will be run it. So now let's see. Let's suppose the output will come like number 7. Factoriality should be 5040. Here we will see it is coming like that. And now like I will be writing like num should be 1500. So now let's see. Here it will giving the error because that is not functionality. Like I will be writing like 15. Then it will not give the error. Here we will see it is coming like that. So now here we will see it. It is easiest to know Python recursive Python and the function. So like I will be writing like one thing, and here I will give like 5 multiplied by factorial 4, 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by factorial 3, and 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by factorial 2, 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by factorial 1, and 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, it is easy and quick quiz. Write a program to print the famous sequence means hashtag F0 hashtag 0 F1 F hashtag 1 F1 F2 F1 F1 plus 0. It is easiest to know. It will very important to know what I will be comment out. You will be must know what I will be commented out. Okay, it is very know. So like I will be easiest. You know that. Okay, you know this all the things. Okay, so you know that this all the things. And now I will be run it. So now let's see. It will giving the error because I will be comment out. And then we will see print factorial. Like I will be run it like that. So here 120 is coming. Why not 120 is coming? Because their factorial n, if n multiplied by 0 or n has equals to 1, written 1 s, written n multiplied by factorial n minus 1 factorial should be 5. Like I will be factorial should be my 2. So the answer is coming like C2 is answer is coming like here I will be write like 5. So it will give me the 120 easily. It is very easy. It's like I will be giving like 4. So like you will be see it is coming the 24. This is the answer. Why? Because 4 1 4 2 4 3 and like I will be going here I will be write like 5. Like I will be run it. So now let's see. 120 is coming. So I will be write like 3. So let's suppose I will write like 3 output will be coming the 72. It is easy to know because okay. So I hope you can enjoy this class. It is small class. Why? Because it is you will be know the recursion in Python and Python recursive in Python in function. Okay, and you know that okay if the multiply okay. So now the shell is coming like console. So I hope you will understand that the what is recursion in Python and Python recursive functions. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this class. So I'll meet you in next lesson, and I will tell you one thing. It is a 30 class of Python. We completed 30 classes of Python. So I hope you can understood this class, and you will be not understood this class. So you will be go to the Python. You will be go to the W3 school, and here you will be write like a Python, and you will be go to the Python tutorial, and you will be doesn't understand. So you will be where is the here's the you will learn this all things, but we will be go to the here, and what will be not learn. Yeah, recursion. Okay, recursion. It is not coming the recursion. Why? So I will be give you a link, so you will be practice it, and here I will write like recursion, and it's coming like that. So you will be go here, and I will be give you one example also. Like here is the example def 3i, and like I will be run it. I will be run. So now let's be run. Let's be run it. So we run. So the output will coming because example results will be 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. And why it is coming? Because it is coming like 6. Okay, so it will be coming like that. And there is many examples, and you will be okay. So it will coming like that. So I hope you will be understand it till here. And I will be go to the town, and you try it yourself. You will be try with your own self also. So here we will be see it, and here you will be write like 1. Then we will be run. So the answer will coming the difference. So I hope you will be understanding what is recursion in Python, and I hope you can enjoy this class. So enjoy, like the video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.